Hey you! Let us steal just 3 minutes of your life. We promise that we'll be very speedy and in the end we'll help you to take some decisions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Do you remember when you were a child and everybody asked you what do you want to be when you grow up? I'm sure that your answers were similar.
Be an astronaut when I grow up. I want to be an artist and a doctor once I grow up. I want to be a ballerina, a pilot. I want to be a basketball player. I got to be a policeman. The police officer gets a bag of.
Well, little child, you have grown up and you have arrived at the high school. Now you have no idea what to do. But we have. There's a big point for you. Have you ever thought that you could become a successful businessman? Trust us, working in this area is great. Just think at some key words like travelings, meetings, make new friends, money, and success. It sounds great, no? As a businessman, you have to travel a lot for business meetings. You visit a lot of foreign countries, meet new people, conclude contracts, and earn a lot of money. But to earn all of this, you need to work hard, spend a lot of hours in front of a stack of papers, sign documents, write projects, and work in front of a computer by hours. Here appear the disadvantages. It's a stressful job. You have to do a lot of things. If you can't manage your time, you can be pushed by it. You need to finish your projects in time, or you will lose your customers and contributors. But if you gain experience, you will know how to organize your activities. Don't get influenced by these things. If you are an organized person, a diplomatic and a sociable one, be sure that you can do it. You need to be able to expose your ideas and projects, to be convincing and to inspire your label. You build your future. The key to success is to begin right now. They succeed. We are going to succeed, and now it's your turn. Don't waste your time. As the businessmen say, time is money. You can do it. Good luck.